Hello and welcome back to my course, Chess Strategies, How to Play Minor Piece Endgames. And this lecture is about knights and rook's pawns. The knight is a piece whose activity is always severely curtailed when it's near the edge of the board. Because of the rook's pawn's proximity to the edge, knights have particular trouble fighting such pawns. For example, you may look at this position. This is a simple example. It's white to move, and you may pause this video and find the best and the winning move for white. Okay, we continue. It's knight g7 check. Knight has to take, and then h6. Black knight can't stop the h-pawn, and after king f8, h7 will be played. Black king is also unable to reach the pawn, so white wins. Actually, such tactical ideas frequently occur in practice. However, this example is from a real game between two grandmasters. It's black to move, and you may also pause this video and find the solution. So, which move to make to win the game? Okay, we continue. Black forced a winning past a pawn by this tactical strike, knight c3, attacking the knight on d1. Pawn takes on c3, and then a4. C takes on d4, c takes on d4. And now this knight is helpless against the a-pawn. For example, c3, a3. So black wins. And this position is from the game between Garry Kasparov against Michael Adams. And here too, with his king so far away, the defender's lone knight proves unable to cope with the rook's pawn. How would you play for white? King d4, knight a6. If knight a4, then white plays knight c3. If black trades knights, then he definitely loses. Knight b2, knight d1, attracting the knight to take. If knight goes back to a4, then the king comes closer. So knight d1, a4, knight b2, attacking the pawn, a5, king g7, a6, knight a4, a7, knight b6, king c5, attacking the knight, knight a8, king c6. And the next move is king b7, then king takes the knight, and this is how white can promote the pawn. Such knight sacrifices are a common feature of these endings. That's why I want you to remember these tricks. In the game after king d4, it was played knight a6, king d5, king g6, knight d4, king f6, and king d6, forcing black to lose the opposition. King f7. If knight to b8, then knight c6, knight a6, and knight b4, winning the game, because after knight goes to b8, king c7 will be played, and now the knight is trapped. So black played king f7 here, and knight e6 is the winning move. After this move, black resigned. because after knight b8, knight goes to c5, and the next move is king c7, winning the knight. If king goes to e8, then knight c7 check, forcing black to take, and then white successfully promotes his pawn. Thank you for your attention. From this puzzle I want you to learn the idea to sacrifice the knight to promote the rook's pawn.